everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the Loch Ness monster with the Rubik Twist. So take the first block, turn it twice, and now face it like this. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn the fifth block twice. Alright, so now face it like this, turn this block to the left. Alright, now turn this block down, like this. And then turn this block to the right. Turn this block 2 times upwards. And then turn this block to the back. Alright, now turn this block to the back. And then turn this block down. Alright, now turn this one towards you. And then turn this block 2 times. Alright, now turn this block to the back. And now it won't fit perfectly, but we'll fix that now. So turn this block away from the head. So like this. And then it should fit. Okay, now turn this block down. And then turn this block down twice. And then turn this block to the right twice. And there you go, you have the Loch Ness monster. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right down below, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it. And goodbye, see you in my next video.